New at 11 tonight, changes are coming to how Proposition 57 is being implemented across California prisons. A new ruling from the California Supreme Court now says that corrections officials no longer have to consider early release for violent felons. CBS 47's Catherine Phillips joins us now in the studio to break down the changes. Catherine.
Yeah, voters overwhelmingly voted for Prop 57 in 2016 when it was a ballot measure during the election. The latest Supreme Court ruling says the language used was ambiguous and voters really didn't know what they voted for.
That it's a huge victory for prosecutors, it's a huge victory for crime victims, and it's a huge victory for public safety.
Fresno County District Attorney Lisa Smitkamp is relieved. The California Supreme Court ruled to modify Proposition 57, making changes so corrections officials no longer have to consider violent felons for early release. The court's Chief Justice calling the text of the proposition ambiguous, and Smitkamp calling the ruling a win.
This is a big deal for all of law enforcement because police officers out on the street every day are faced with emboldened criminals who are empowered by this movement.
In 2016, over 2/3 of voters voted for Prop 57, hoping to lower the overcrowded prison system while calling for criminal justice reform. However, Smitkamp says voters never wanted violent criminals to be eligible for early release, saying all it did was put violent offenders back on the streets, burdening police departments and making cities less safe.
It's a statement, I think, from the Supreme Court of California to the voters that we really need to think long and hard about when we vote for these propositions.
We've reached out to Fresno Mayor Jerry Dyer's office as well as the police department for their reaction to this ruling, but we haven't heard back from either of them yet. Live in studio, Catherine Phillips, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.